Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong Capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para balik sigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong Capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong Capsule. FDA approved.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You guys heard the song True Love from Faith Evans. A song brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Now available at leading drugstores nationwide. Sa Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
Hi, we are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on Radio Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Final stretch of this radio program, and time for the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. As you guys all know, over the weekend we had the International Ironman Philippines held here at the Subic Bay Freeport. Athletes from countries, 54 countries converged in Subic for the Ironman Philippines. Do you guys know that? 54 countries. They took part in the fourth staging of the Century Tuna Ironman Philippines that was held June 9, just yesterday, here at the Subic Bay Freeport. All right. According to Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose El Alino, the triathletes from various parts of the globe who took part in the triathlon was more than 1,000. All right. He said that these triathletes include those participating in the 11th Ironman 70.3 Subic Bay and the Iron Kids competition that was both held here just last Saturday, June 8. Okay? The official said that Subic Bay Freeport holding the Ironman competition for 11 years is a testament that this premier Freeport is a popular area for triathletes to compete. He added that the support group of every triathlete gets to enjoy their stay here since Subic is a popular tourist destination. Century Pacific EVP and COO Greg Banzon said that the support of Century Tuna in the Philippine triathlon scene has been pivotal, citing that the company has helped mold top Filipino athletes that have carved their names during the Southeast Asian Games. Ironman Group Philippines Regional Director Princess Galura said that the Subic Bay is the country's triathlon capital, citing its long history of hosting various triathlon events, including the 5150s, sprints, and full-distance Ironman races. She said that notable triathlon stars like Zek Peter Lukoz and United Arab Emirates Svetlana Kovaleva led the pack of the 54 countries who competed in the Ironman Philippines. All right. She added that the Philippine contingent include Jemuel Clemente, Daniel Valdez, Ramon Abeleda, Lexter Ansaldo, Rolando Alquero, Edgar Purunganan, and many others. All right. So there you have it. The latest held here over the weekend at the Subic Bay Freeport, the Century Tuna Ironman Philippines and the 70.3 Ironman. Also the Iron Kids triathlon, all right? And after natin mag-triathlon, syempre magugutom tayo. Mang Tomas, lechon manok, liempo at iba pa. Uy, masarap dyan. Okay? Check out the classic flavor. The black pepper and pork liempo. They have special atsara also. Ayan, Mang Tomas, lechon manok, liempo at iba pa. Okay, located at the Alpha Mart 5 Filtration Road. Okay? Pagbaba lang nung tulay sa Santa Rita, if you're going to Santa Rita or Pepsi. All right? The Alpha Mart next to the bridge, Santa Rita Bridge. That's where the food truck is parked. Okay? Alpha Mart 5. So shout out to everybody there, especially si Kuya Thomas and your staff. Happy listening. Also, ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Happy listening to you guys there, everybody. And ZMMG offers emergency room consultation, inpatient admission, outpatient, laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, OB-GYN ultrasound, newborn screening, annual PE, drug testing, and a whole lot more. Number 14, Brill Street, West Bakbak, Olongapo City. Okay? Their landline number 047-602-0278. ZMMG Co-op Hospital. All right? Oh, by the way, they have their Alagang ZMMG E-Consulta Day on Saturday, June 15, 2024, 7 to 10 a.m. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Bantay Kalusugan, Bantay Kinabukasan, accredited E-Consulta facility. Ayan, check out the PhilHealth Consulta. Magpa-schedule, magpalista, pwedeng minsan isang taon, pwedeng buong pamilya. Okay? So, check it out. Well, you may call again the landline hotline number for more inquiries. Okay? 047-602-0278. And the cell phone number 0981-319-5240. Okay? Or simply drop by there. Number 14 Brill Street, West Bakbak, Olongapo City for the Alagang ZMMG E-Consulta Day. Okay, and lastly, final batch of invites for you guys coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Menswear sale up to 50% off ongoing up until June 30 at all SM stores. And if there's a menswear sale, meron ding girls teen sale, of course. Also up to 50% off on select items at all SM stores. Also check out the Great Image Celebrate Success Graduation Package promo. Great Image is at 4th level of SM Central. Also, speaking of SM Central, they have the Shop and Dine promo ongoing May 25 until June 25. Simply dine at anywhere at SM Central for you to check out the Shop and Dine promo. Shakey's would like to congratulate the batch of 2024. Check out your free basket of flavored mojos. All graduates, check it out. Ask about it at Shakey's ground level, SM Central. Okay? The installment fest ongoing until June 30. Instantly win back up to 5,000 pesos SM gift pass. Okay? And speaking of gift pass, it's the best gift for any occasion. Ask about the gift pass at the customer service counter. CBTL free drink upsize until June 30, second level inside the SM store of SM Central. All right? And here's the lineup of movies for you at SM Cinema. Okay? Mga gustong manood for Cinema 1 at SM Central. Okay? Bad Boys, Ride or Die. Cinema 2, The Watcher. Cinema 3, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Trending movie. Libre daw ang tissue. Tsaka tissue, tsaka ano pa ba? Tissue tsaka tubig yata. Sabi ni Ma'am Net. Para sa mga manonood. Iiyak ka yata ng gusto eh. Kaya may libreng tissue. Ayan. Tissue and water for viewers, sabi. Bakit kaya trending tong movie na to? Hindi ko pa napapanood eh, no? Panoorin nyo so that you guys will know. Also back-to-back with that, Cinema 3, the Garfield movie. Ayan. Cinema 4, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Cinema 4, 1521. Cinema 5, Train to Hell. Cinema 6, Haikyuu, the Dumpster Battle. Back-to-back with Furiosa, a Mad Max saga. And for SM Central, SM Downtown Cinemas, at Cinema 1, the Garfield movie. Back-to-back with How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies extended. Okay? And at Cinema 2, The Watcher. Cinema 3, Bad Boys, Ride or Die. Also extended. All right, so there you have it. The what's showing. Buy your tickets now. SM Cinemas, Downtown and Central. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po. Have a pleasant Monday, everybody. And for my final song, here's Camila Cabello, Crying in the Club. Final song for this radio show. This has been DJ Tommy G for The Morning Brew.